Good evening, guys. The purpose of this video is just to share with you some tutorial. Ito na specifically sa previous video ko sa more on how we can verify RDO. So this time naman, since plano naming set up ng appointment para kumuha ng PSA, ng birth certificate, marriage license. So ngayon, simple tip lang is how we can set up an appointment online. So let's try. So, i-type natin siya manually. Ayan yan, appointment.psa.gov.ph. Google Chrome ang gagamitin natin. Click mo lang yan. And then, ito na yung Philippine Statistic Authority, na, yung kanilang official website. Yan yun. You just have to, nakikita niyo yung apat dyan. Pwede kang kumuha dito na marriage, Senomar, birth, and then that. Click nyo lang yan. And then, may another page na mag-pop up. So, kung gusto niyo basahin niyo yung step by step. So, once you're done, punta kayo dito sa pinakababa. And then, just click agree. Important reminders, minor are not allowed to book an appointment if the requesting party is duly authorized. So, we need an authorization letter. Just click next. And then, what is the purpose of your appointment? So, Philippine registration, Philippines birth certificate assistant project, hindi yan. Ano ba yung purpose namin? Submission of compliance, first time get a copy of the civil rights document certification. Yun siguro yun. Ayan. Ayan. So, search natin. So, Philippines registration, I'm not really sure. Ito ba yan? Yeah, kung ano lang gusto nyo, kung kukuha kayo ng for delayed registration, for submission of compliance, and then you have just to select kung anong specific ang gusto nyo. And then, let's say, for example, ito. And then, click nyo lang next. Choose region 4. And then, choose outlet. Yan lang. And then, mamimili lang kayo dyan and then i-click nyo lang yung next until you just have to write your name and then done. Ganon kadali ang pagre-registered para mag-ano ng appointment.